All right, what's up with it, y'all? I'm back. I'm back. Let me get this mic. I'm back with episode 2. All right, getting started in the music business. Episode 2. We're gonna talk about taxes. All right, lot of people get in trouble behind not paying their taxes. So one of the main questions that a lot of people uh, either need to ask or that they don't ask is, do we pay taxes as an artist? Do I pay taxes as a rapper? And I'm gonna tell you, the IRS is very serious about paying them taxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer that with a unequivocal hell yeah. You got to pay taxes. And real quick, I'm gonna do a little sidebar, and I'm gonna show y'all just how real they is about paying them taxes. I'm gonna share my screen for a minute. Let me share my screen real quick because I want to show y'all just how serious the IRS is. Let me see. I think this one is right there. Yep. 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 All right. So let me go back over here and let me share the screen. Let me add it. Hold on. How do okay, here we go. Let me add it to the stream. There we go. All right. So yeah. I'm gonna show y'all just how serious the IRS is about paying them taxes. So first, as you can see, royalties. All right. Copyrights and patents. All right. So your royalties from your copyright, from your music, from your songs, you can see right here off top, the IRS want to get paid. I'm gonna even go as far as showing y'all some of the other, and this right here is just really kind of wild to me. But I'm gonna show y'all some of the other things that the IRS feel like you need to pay them for. If you'll just, you can see as we're scrolling some of this stuff. But check this out. This just how serious they are about getting their bread. Give me 1 minute. It's gonna take me a second to get to it. They have a tab called. Look at that. Look, they even want to get paid for bribes. You see this right here? They want to get paid for bribes. If you bribing a nigga, they want to get paid. But check this out. Found property, you find some shit, they want to get paid. Look, illegal activities. Check this out. Illegal activities. They want to get paid income from illegal activities, such as money from dealing illegal drugs, must be included in your income on Schedule 1, your Form 1040, line 8Z, or on the Schedule C, Form 1040, if from your self employment activity. I'm telling you, boy, them boys are beast. You hear me? I'm talking about a beast, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing this. I just kind of wanted to show y'all how real they was about paying them taxes. So hell yeah, you got to pay taxes. All right. So let's dive into it real quick. So the first episode was really about your business structure, about the type of business entity that you want to set up, and your taxes. Really, your taxes are based off of your business structure. All right. So yes, you're gonna pay your taxes, and if you're a sole proprietor, then you're gonna use your social security number to pay your taxes. All right. If you got your company set up, um, if you have an LLC, but you have to have your LLC incorporated, then you'll be able to use your EIN. If your LLC is not incorporated, then all income from your LLC passes through to you, and you file it on your tax return. All right. So you must keep up with and pay your taxes. And again, the corporation, with them filing their taxes, the corporation, they pay their own taxes. They use the IRS Form 1120. The S corporation, the income also passes through to you, but the S corporation also has to file an informational tax return, an 1120S. But The income that's derived from the business passes through to you, and you file that income on your personal tax return, as well as the LLC that is not incorporated. All right. Partnerships, they also have to pay taxes on their own tax return. They're also a pass through entity where the taxes pass through to you and you pay them on your own tax return. All right. I went over also the tax forms. Um, Basically, it's only two. I mean, either the individual is paying taxes or your company is paying taxes. So you'll either be using a 1040 for your personal or an 1120 for your company. Also, an 1120S if you have an S corporation, as well as the 1040, because again, it's a pass through. All right. So that's your tax game for the day. All right. Just keep in mind you must pay your taxes. All right. There are also tax benefits with the business structure, as I mentioned in the first episode. So I'll give you guys a small a an example, strictly an example, strictly for educational purposes. All right, we'll just take a flat number like a million. We'll take a M, as y'all like to say. We'll take that M, and let's just do some. I mean, it's worse than a guesstimation. All right, but it's still an example. Let's say you make a M and you file your taxes as a sole proprietor. You're gonna be in one of them highest tax brackets. All right, 37 to 41, 42%. Let's just round it off and say it was 40%. That's 400,000 off top that you're going to have to pay in taxes. All right. Now, you got your few deductions and different things like that that'll reduce that a little bit as well. Now, let's take the corporation. Tax rate 21%. This the tax rate 21%. On that M, you ain't gonna be out of no more than 200,000 and some change, minus deductions and all of the other tax benefits that are available for corporations or for entities that are paying their own taxes. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and end this live. It was just a real quick one, just to give you a little game and let you know that you are definitely gonna have to pay taxes. All right, be sure. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Any legal advice that you need, be sure to consult an attorney, a tax attorney, or a CPA. They're great people. Tell them your vision. If you already have a company set up, tell them the things that you need for them, that for them to do, the things that you need them to do for you. All right, but if you want to learn the game, if you want to be educated on how to do these things, again, remember, I got this motto. One of my mottos, one of my favorite ones, is to teach a man how to fish, and he'll be able to eat for a lifetime. That's one of my favorite mottos. So if you want to learn, you want to get educated on how to do these things, because remember, an attorney's job is to do these things for you. You're not gonna be able to sit in an attorney's office. I don't care if you pay him 10 grand, 25 grand, unless you press him real, real hard. You know what I mean? I'm talking about pressing. Um, Pay him handsomely, but more than likely, he not gonna show you the game. He gonna do it for you. That's what they do. They don't even work for you, as a matter of fact. They're gonna be working for the company and whatever is in the best interest of the company. They have codes of ethics and standards that they have to meet. They have certain rules and obligations and guidelines and certain things that they have to follow. They're up under the Bar Association, so they have stringent rules. Now, if you got a crooked lawyer, they may bend some of those rules, but who want to deal with a crooked lawyer? Because at the end of the day, they'll come back and get you. So Again, if you want to get educated on this game, then you can inbox me on my Facebook, Pickup Game University, or you could DM me on the Instagram on my Pickup Game University. And look, y'all go follow me. Uh, Go follow me on Facebook. Is it Facebook that you follow? Yeah, go follow me on Facebook and go. What do you do on Instagram? I guess you follow on Instagram too. Go subscribe. I got a YouTube channel. Go subscribe. These things are also streaming to my YouTube channel as well. So y'all go subscribe. But look, for all of y'all rappers out there, for all of y'all beginning artists, if you don't want to call yourself no rapper, hip hop artist, whatever it is, I'm not trying to offend nobody. But y'all need to fool with your boy if you want to learn this game on this business. Like I said, well, you can go get you a lawyer. You can pay them to do it for you. All right, but it's cool. See, I could educate you all day long, so it's cool. This channel, these things, the things that I'm saying are strictly for educational purposes. All right, so y'all really need to fool with me. It's important. Your taxes are a very important thing. You'd rather have tax planning than a tax preparer. Um, 9 times out of 10, probably 10 times out of 10, um, that the sole proprietor and the LLC that's not incorporated and the S corporation, they go to tax preparers. That's when tax time is due and tax season is here, and you go down the H&R Block, or you go to your accountant at the end of the year, and you say, here you go, and you give them everything that's going on. They want your, what do they want? They want your balance sheet. They want, it's a few things that they want if you're doing it, especially if you're using QuickBooks. Also, as well, QuickBooks. That's another little deal that I'm gonna do a video on. I'm gonna do some training on, because I don't care if you're a sole proprietor, if you're a sole proprietor, if you're a corporation, keep all of your business income separate. Keep it separate. Get a separate business bank account. Um, Everything that you do for your business, keep it separate. You know what I mean? It's a must that you do that. I mean, if you got a sole proprietorship, you're not held under any legal rules to keep it separate, but it's still best to keep it separate, because at some point you may want to form a legal entity. And when you do that, the transition will be very smooth. You know what I mean? It'll be super smooth. All right. But there's so many things, man, that things and topics to touch on. But in all of these episodes I got coming up, they're gonna be great. I mean, it's gonna be extensive. And when I say extensive, it's gonna be extensive. I'm gonna try to find my niche in this, y'all. I'm gonna try to find my niche in this. This is something that I can niche in it's specific, and I can hone in on certain individuals that I can help, and everything else gonna come. I do a gazillion things. I do graphic design, logo design, I company apparel, and I got my Research A Design Agency Facebook page, website. It's just so many other things, y'all, that I tie into all of this. I got a publishing company. You know what I mean? I really ain't, publish no works other than my own, but at the end of the day, all of those things are gonna come. I gotta lay this thing brick by brick. I can't, I gotta eat that pie slice by slice. I can't eat the whole pie at one time. So I'm just really for the slow roll this thing, talk to y'all, and you know, and just make this thing happen. I got a cash app scrolling at the bottom. You could donate $1, $10, $20, $100, whatever you feel you want to shoot my way. You could do that. Be sure to inbox or DM me for business though. That's really why I'm on here. I ain't on here to get no donations. I'm on here to get business. But at the end of the day, I'm putting these videos out. I'm gonna provide this content. And if this content can help you in any shape, form, or fashion, if you benefit from it, if it help you, if you learn something you didn't know, then shoot the cash up a little something, something. I think it's worth it. Because I'm for to keep putting these videos out. I got the Pickup Game University where I'm uploading courses. Um, that's gonna continue. You go to pick up www.pickupgameuniversity.com and go enroll in some of my business courses. Um, I'm gonna upload more. I have 22 courses right now, business courses, accounting courses, and these are like college courses, y'all. So, but everything is amazing, amazing course material, collegiate course material. I personally published the material myself. I personally, converted all of the material into the proper formats, uploaded all the coursework, and I think it's worth checking out. I put a whole lot of effort and energy into it, and to be frank with y'all, player, I got a whole lot more work to do. But I'm really just trying to, I'm dibbling and dabbling into different things, seeing what's going to draw people in because I need customers, I need clientele. I got kids, I got a family, and then I have a valuable business that's definitely going to be able to help you and to be able to help you grow. You know what I'm talking about? I got this shit over here. Y'all need the food with me. Pick the phone up, call me so we can chop it up. Tell me what you got going on, and I can tell you XYZ, everything that I can educate you on, everything that I can organize for you. Um, everything that I could do for you, which is some amazing shit, no matter what business you in, but especially for artists, especially for music artists, especially for the trappers turned into motherfucking rappers. Y'all niggas be doing y'all thing. But let me jump off this live, upload this broadcast. Peace.